The product zone today we have is the iHood heated vest. Incredible. This company, first of all, you can see how beautiful the package comes inside a box, and this is how it looks right here. It's a nice carrying case. This thing is incredible. It's fast heating. The heating system is upgraded. It's really fast, and all of them you could see this iHood company logo. It's basically, I'm going to tell you right now, we have three control different zone. Some jackets and hoodie heated, you only could do one. This comes with different section. It tells you the logo right there. You hold it down for 2-3 seconds and it lights up red. I'm gonna put in the battery and show you. So we have three different heated zone if you want to heat different areas of the body, and that's the light. So you can see this at night if you're jogging, you're riding bike. This is a good indication. So you let cars know, and you can see how beautiful this is. So now you could do from low heat, medium heat, and high heat. So the low heat will last about 8.5 hours, which is pretty long. And the medium heat, if you leave that level, it will last about 6 hours. And then the high heat, if you're in a freezing temperature and you put on the high heat, it'll last about 4.5 hours. So that's pretty cool. Now this vest is lightweight. It's very light, and it's incredible. The material is incredible. It's waterproof. Laundry, you could wash this. Definitely just make sure you do not put the battery. Take out the battery. This is the battery. This is the adapter to plug it in, and you have the manual right there to tell you every single thing you need to know about it. We have one zipper over here, we have one zipper over here, and then you have the hood right there to keep you nice and warm and everything good. And then you could, this part right here, you could squeeze it, retract it to make it close in. And then we have the control. So we're gonna zip this down. This thing is just incredible, made really well. Look at that, beautiful this is. Love their logo, and it tells you right here 7.4V for the battery, USB. Wow. Check out ihoodwarm.com. Use discount code is green tea. Check in the link in the description. I'm gonna leave it. So we're gonna unzip here, put in the battery. I'll show you guys right now. All right, so if we open up right here, the battery is very small, and it's not that heavy. And we have the charger. It's fast charging. My other jacket that I have from the same company, the jacket, the batteries charge really fast, and it's USB. You could charge your phone and stuff, which is pretty cool. And they do sell this, and they do send the head part, so you don't have to buy that. So you know, some company, they rob you. They basically do not sell this, send this head part, which is, I think, is ridiculous, because not everybody has one of this around, you know what I mean? So this is a big plus for me. Simple stuff like this just makes stuff easier. So what do? You just plug it in right there, and it's charged really fast. And now we're gonna plug this in here. So if we zip this down, there should be a little wire here. Yep, see that? Made really well and protected too. After you finish, you just do that, and then what do? You plug it in right here, and that's it. Simple and easy. You put it back in, right? And you don't even realize it. After you put the jacket on, you don't even realize it. That thing is on. All right, so our battery's in. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come right here. This is for the head part. Just hold it down. See? Lights up right there. And you hold this down 3 seconds. If you want that, that's like the front back area there. And then look, you get another from the back part. You hold that down. See, beautiful. Let's see if I can show you guys. Look at that, beautiful. So in the night, if you decide to go hunting, example, you could just hold this down, and you don't see any light, but the heat is still coming. So if you're jogging at night, you definitely want to have the light on, so in case any incoming traffic, you know exactly. So this thing, look at this thing, lightweight, super lightweight, very comfortable, very soft, nice, amazing material. You can't feel any wire or anything. Wow, I could already feel the heat. Check in the description box, get the link, or check in the comment. I will leave the discount code so you guys don't have to pay full price. Thank you so much for watching Product Zone. Don't forget to check in the link in the description box below. Use the discount code, save some money, and it's for everyone, male, female. Get your hand on this. Keep warm, and don't wear a million hoodie and jacket and feel uncomfortable. Just get one with all heated system.